think it's a call. Well, change
Please be on
minds.
track 2.
Yes.
Please. There's a westbound coming, and then there's also another eastbound. Literally, we're going to probably have a meet. Oh, I hope this is on track. Jackpot's on track 2.
All right, good.
Jackpot. Jackpot. I can't tell what that is.
It's a weird engine, though.
That noise is making. That's your man. Oh, it's only one. That's you. That engine's still going so loud. What is wrong with that engine?
I don't know. I didn't even know I could train.
That engine's so weird. That thing probably has a mechanical problem. And
That one's going
it's
down.
getting louder. Does this mean the train's coming back, but it's moving that way? How can it be moving both directions at once?
A lot of
This is impossible. Okay,
This
now
is-
it's going away.
Yeah.
Now it's going away. It's one engine. Is that why it's going slow? If there's 5 mid DPUs on this train, I am literally.
You pay me. No, if there is that. If there's 5
Cotton Belt.
DPUs, you give me.
Why?
You give me
Why
5
Cotton Belt? Anything else but Cotton Belt.
Cotton Bell.
That's the SSW that Union Pacific now owns. The SSW.
I can still hear it.
It's getting louder. It was getting louder.
It was just gone for a sec. Next train's gonna be on 2, I'm guessing.
Bet you a nickel that there's like gotta be a DPU on this.
Yeah.
I actually won't give you a nickel if there's not, but
Yeah, I would just give
whatever.
return nothing.
Good try.
Oh, imagine seeing a train all this. All these cars.
Gondolas. You call them gondolas. Nope, not gondolas, gondolas.
This is a good mixed train.
Peanut. Something came in the mail today. You know what it is? Oh, that's the end.
Are you serious?
That is. Yeah, no, it's not. Okay, I still have my nickel. Except I'm not giving it to you.
I don't even have money. Either that or
Wait,
we
you
have
don't
to-
even have money?
Either that or we just have to pay off my dad's credit card.
Excuse me?
Joking.
Wait. Oh, there's gotta be. There's no way there's no DPU on this. I hear the DPU. I literally hear it.
This train's like the loudest train ever. It's not the loudest train I've ever heard. It's probably the one that we were across the
horn.
street and it was just so loud. Remember that?
Yeah, it was an SD78.
Yeah, that was like
And it still was so loud.
Alright, it's speeding up.
Never mind, I take it back. There's gotta be no DPU.
Yeah, 'cause the train ends right now.
I rest my case. I literally backed off on what I said, like literally right when that turned the corner. I literally backed off on what I